Hello, everyone. This is Samantha Owens, and I just want to say that I don't always wear sunglasses, even though it might seem that way with the two pictures I chose. Um, I am in my second year of my master's degree at UGA in educational psychology, gifted in creative education. I taught pre-K for 4 years, and just last week I was hired on to teach fifth grade at Panner Elementary, and that's in Paulding County. It's in Hiram, Georgia. So I'm really excited, slightly nervous to be making such a large jump in the grades that I'll be teaching. Most of my experience is definitely with our littlest learners. So I'm excited for the adventures that await me in fifth grade. In my pictures here, that's my daughter, Arlen. She's going to be 4 years old tomorrow. And in the other picture, that's my husband, Wayne. Uh, Something interesting about me is on top of teaching, I'm also a certified Disney travel agent. I've been doing that for about 3 years. So yeah, as a side gig, I book and plan Disney vacations. I also do Universal Studios, so it's just something really fun that I do on the side. Um, so about diversity, a memorable issue where I used to teach pre-K was in a daycare setting, and they were going through the quality rated process, and that requires a lot of diversity, like visual evidence of diversity in the classroom. So they want to see a lot of like pictures. Like the baby dolls had to be all different races. There needed to be a lot of different books that were very diverse in nature. And so, as we were preparing for our quality rating visit, the staff was sort of getting all of this together and putting the diverse materials in the rooms. But I sort of noticed that even though they were aiming for diversity, I could still sort of see a little bit of bias in what diverse cultures they were representing. Um, I noticed that they sort of shied away from representing maybe like LGBTQ communities in photographs, books, things like that. Also, I didn't see a lot of other religions besides their own represented. So while they had like a good mixture of like race, I didn't see a lot of diversity in other areas. So I thought that was kind of interesting that even though we sometimes aim to be diverse or present ourselves as diverse, there are um, certain populations we still might be neglecting. My most favorite aspect of working with diverse populations, what was that question? Engaging in diversity and equity issues, yes. I would say just learning about other cultures and backgrounds, it really enriches my life to learn about other people. And also, I feel like it enriches the lives of students to hear about other cultures other than their own. And then my least favorite is probably just coming across people that are resistant to inclusivity, having to convince them of the need for diversity of representation and inclusion in certain programs where they might feel maybe it's unnecessary or it doesn't make sense to them. So thank you for listening to my introduction, and I look forward to this semester.